Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review Keep Cool Soothing Serum. Listen, it is not that affordable. It retails around 1600, something like that. But don't worry, if you're looking for affordable skincare options, I am making a list. I have to go to the ingredients list, then I'm testing these things on my skin. I just cannot recommend you something just because it is affordable. I need to make sure the ingredients, the formulations, these are good and they work. So please give me some time, and I promise I'll not let you down with the list. And for this serum, this is their soothing serum. The brand claims that it is going to soothe and moisturize our skin and going to repair the sensitive and dry skin, but I think it's going to work better for oily and dehydrated skin. The serum is clear, very non-sticky, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, absorbs really well. We just need 1 or 2 pumps of this. It is going to layer well with other skincare products, and it's going to, I think, work well with makeup as well. It didn't irritate my skin. It actually felt very comfortable on my skin and very easy to work with. Now the ingredients. The first ingredient is they have used 66% bamboo water in this serum, but I have watched one review for this serum, and there the YouTuber, she said they have used 66% bamboo extract. But bamboo extract they have used, but this is one of the last ingredients. So I don't know, they have reformulated this thing, or this YouTuber, she mistook this for something else. So yeah, they didn't use 66% bamboo extract. They used 66% bamboo water. And when I look for the benefits of this bamboo water, I see all these generic posts about why to use bamboo in skincare. They say it is full of antioxidant. Bamboo has soothing benefits. It has silica, which is natural mineral, good for skin. But I was more interested in this bamboo water. I have read one study where it said that black bamboo leaves, they have flavonoids that have plant antioxidant activities, and bamboo stem has a high amount of silica. So about bamboo water, I am not sure yet. This serum contains 4.5% Centella asiatica extract. It has 2 humectants, glycerin and sodium hyaluronate. It has skin soothing ingredients like panthenol, allantoin. It has few glycols, plant extracts, and it has few components of Centella asiatica like madecassoside. But one thing, if you have massive skin irritation, I don't think it's going to help you that much, because lately I had this skin irritation because I tried few new products and my skin was in a very bad state. You might have noticed I was breaking out hair. So I used this serum. I didn't see much results from it. It did feel soothing, calming to an extent. Rather, Bioderma Cica Bio helped me a lot there to calm down my skin. So I think if your skin is already in a better state and you don't have much skin irritation, then it can help you out. But with extreme skin irritation or even moderate skin irritation, it didn't help me much there, to be very frank. But everyone's skin is different, it might work for you. Hydration average. I have dry skin, by the way, slightly dry skin, and if you have oily skin, I think it's going to be better for you. This is a very unproblematic serum. It didn't give me any skin irritation, but I got it from Macaron, I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, they have this trial version of this serum. So if you want to try this for the first time, please get the trial version to know if your skin likes it or not. And they have one toner from this range. It has 85% bamboo water, then glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, urea. They have used this citric acid as pH adjuster, and the pH of this toner is 5.5 as they claim, but they have one trial version, so I insist you to try that one. I don't know why I got this big tub. I think I'm too overconfident because I think, okay, I see the ingredients list, I see the formulation, so I assume that I know how it is gonna work for my skin, but I should have tried the trial version. And yeah, I'm gonna get the toner, but it doesn't have Centella asiatica, it doesn't have panthenol, it doesn't have allantoin, it doesn't have bamboo extract, but it looks like decent toner. And for this serum, I don't think I'm gonna get it, because for bamboo water I can get this from the toner, and the toner we are getting 350 ml for 1800 something, where we are getting this 50 ml of serum for 1600, something like that. And I use Etude House Young Emulsion, which has Centella Acetica, then Panthenol. And I heard this toner actually feels more like an essence. It is slightly thicker than usual like regular toners, and I'm interested, and it has this 5.5 pH. If you are looking for pH balancing toner, you can give it a try. It is fragrance free, essential oils free, and decent ingredients. But obviously, if you are looking for more affordable toners, I'm still looking for the options. I'll let you know as soon as I find this. And for this serum, if you want to, you can try this out to see how your skin reacts to this. This is one decent serum, nothing extraordinary. I would have rather recommended Purito, this Green Level Unscented Serum, but out of stock, so bad luck. And for skin irritation, I would recommend this Cica Bio from Bioderma. This is good. Actually, it worked really well for me. I have reviewed this thing. I'm gonna put the link down below. But obviously, everyone's skin is different. It might work for me, but might not work for you. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.